Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be discussing about the security phase in cloud adaptation framework. In the previous video, we discussed about the governance phase, wherein we mentioned that the policies will be identified and implemented as a part of a governance phase. In the security phase, our main motto is to run the security operations. So it has two different portions or categories, business and the technical side. From a business point of view, you should have a dashboard wherein you should be able to identify all the security risk that you are looking at the organization level. Security integration. So you wanted to ensure that security is embedded into the business process and IT process so that security comes first. Business resilience. So in case of any attacks, your organization should have the ability to bounce back with a minimal effort. From a technical side, access control. So you have to follow a zero trust model, which means that privileged accounts will be granted access only when there is a need. Asset protection. So you should be able to identify the data sources which would have the sensitive information and handle it. Security governance. It's a continuous process wherein you should be able to identify the risk that you are looking at and mitigate those risks. Innovation. So make sure that your software development lifecycle embeds the security into the development process. Security operations. So it's like running your daily operations. So teams involved. So depends on the organization, the number of teams will vary, but these are all the teams that we are looking at a high level. IAM team, who will handle your identity management. Threat detection team, they will identify if there are any threats that we are looking at. Complaints team, they will review your policies, make sure that it is still compliant, or if there is a need, they will modify the compliances. Data protection team, they will identify the data sources which would have the sensitive information and handle it. Security operations, they will run your daily security operations. So some of the tools are used by these teams. IAM team, primarily they will be using the Active Directory. Threat reduction team, primarily they will be using the Sentinel. Governance team, they will be looking at the policies. And data protection team, they will be looking at Purview. And security operations, they will be looking at multiple tools, be it the Defender, Sentinel, Monitor, most of other tools. So when we talk about the security operations center, because like this is going to be the huge team, so these are all the members will be part of this particular team, right? So there will be a tier one analyst who will initially look at the issues. Tier two will go into the details. Tier three, it's well they will actually fix the issues. SOC engineer and SOC manager and incident specialist and architect and complaints specialist. These are all some of the other information that you may interested when you are implementing your security. So IDS, IPS. So these are all the things that you have to consider when you are actually implementing security. So primary goal of this particular phase is to ensure that your cloud infrastructure is safe and secure. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching.